Guava fruit and guava leaves health benefits. Guava fruits are called the queen of all fruits because of their high level of medicinal values. Any 100 grams serving of guava fruit contains 68 calories and 8.92 grams of sugar. It is also rich in calcium and contains 18 grams of minerals for every 100 grams. This shows that the fruit has the capability to aid in different diseases. However, in order for you to have more insight into the topic, let's take a peek into the health benefits of guava. 1. Guava helps boost your immunity. Guava is rich in vitamin C and is said to contain 4 times the content of vitamin C found in oranges. Vitamin C helps boost immunity levels that prepare your body to fight common infections and pathogens. Also, more vitamin C helps in good eyesight. 2. Fights cancer. Guava leaves can lower the risk of cancer, especially breast, prostate, and oral cancers, due to high quantities of the antioxidant lycopene. Various studies have revealed that lycopene plays a significant role in lowering the risk of cancer. 3. Helps to manage blood sugar levels. Guava has a high content of fiber and glycemic index that helps prevent the development of diabetes. Fiber content regulates blood sugar levels from spiking, while glycemic index also restricts your blood sugar to rise at a short. 4. Heals cold and cough. Guava leaves contain high levels of vitamin C and iron, and a decoction of guava leaves is very helpful in relieving cough and cold as it helps get rid of mucus. It also disinfects the respiratory tract, throat and lungs. 5. Helps during constipation. Guavas contain high amounts of good dietary fiber when compared to other fruits. 1 guava a day contains 12% of fiber intake that makes it highly beneficial for digestive health. It also helps in healthy bowel movements. This reduces your risk of constipation. 6. Reduces acne. High percentage of vitamin C, guava leaves can help get rid of acne when crushed and applied to trouble spots. 7. Guava helps women during pregnancy. Guavas benefit pregnant women such that it contains folic acid and vitamin B9, which is recommended to be given for women since it helps in developing the baby's nervous system and protects the baby from neurological disorders. 8. Improves quality of sleep. Leaf tea regularly helps improve quality of sleep, says Dr. Ashutosh Gautam, Clinical Operations and Coordination Manager at Baidyanath. It calms your nerves and quietens your mind, making it easier to slip into slumber. If you like this video, like and leave your comments. Share with your friends for more recipes and tips, subscribe to this channel.